British pound plunged even lower than analysts had expected. The euro failed to break the support level that we mentioned yesterday. In this video review on InstaForex TV channel, you will learn about changes in traders' mood and the outlook for the pound and euro. Traders lost their optimism concerning the European currency after the publication of strong economic data in the United States. Amid these signs of robust economic development, worries about the recession faded away. At the moment, investors are increasing the volume of buy positions on the US dollar. At the same time, the euro-dollar pair is moving downward to break the 1.1120 level. If the pair drops even lower, it can hit 1.1080. Statistics from the Eurozone can prevent bears from opening positions. According to today's Eurostat report, the preliminary inflation data met the final estimates. In November, the consumer price index rose by 1.0%, thus keeping the euro-dollar pair away from a nosedive. The British pound found itself in a rather controversial situation. In the UK, the final inflation data exceeded the preliminary estimates. In November, the consumer prices advanced by 0.2%, while the annual growth rate remained at the same level of 1.5%. However, traders' reaction was not optimistic at all. The pound-dollar pair failed to gain a bullish momentum amid expectations of the upcoming meeting of the Bank of England and downwardly revised economic forecasts. However, the pair managed to slow down its depreciation at the level of 1.3100. If the pound-dollar pair resumes its downward movement, it can reach 1.3013. Moreover, news about Brexit also added to the weaker pound. Yesterday, we mentioned the withdrawal agreement bill prepared by Boris Johnson. According to it, Britain is to leave the European Union by the 31st of December. However, Brussels assures that the trade issues cannot be settled before the deadline. Therefore, Brexit is likely to be implemented on rather strict terms. Amid this situation, the British pound lost ground in favor of the US dollar. Despite favorable conditions, traders are rather cautious about buying the greenback. Markets are taking into account the likelihood of Donald Trump's impeachment. The US House of Representatives is scheduled to vote on this issue today. Today's trading day promises to be interesting. Follow the news about the financial market with us. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon.